Jason Momoa and his two teenage kids visited the Big Apple to support his stepdaughter Zoe Kravitz, at the premiere of her blockbuster, The Batman. But where was Lisa Bonet? What's a night out without mom? Jason Momoa, 42, brought his teenagers, son Nakoa-Wolf, 13, and daughter Lola, 14, to the New York City premiere of The Batman on Tuesday, March 1, and although the family was out in full force to support Jason's stepdaughter, Zoe Kravitz, 33, there was one person noticeably missing from the Wolf pack, Zoe's mom and Jason's on-again wife, Lisa Bonet, 54. On February 25, just 1 month after announcing that they were getting a divorce, Hollywood Life exclusively reported that the two had decided to repair their marriage. Jason has moved back in with her and their kids, per our source, and things could be on the mend. So, why was Lisa not in New York to show support for Zoe, who is starring alongside Robert Pattinson, 35, in The Batman? Well, our source tipped us off and told Hollywood Life exclusively that Lisa stayed home for Zoe. Lisa didn't go to Batman for two reasons, the source explained to us. The main was that, Lisa knew that, if she would have walked the carpet with Jason, the night would have turned into a Jason and Lisa walk carpet together sort of situation, and neither one of them wanted that to happen. The event meant so much to Zoe, and the last thing that Lisa and Jason wanted to do was to upstage her by walking a red carpet together. As fans know, Zoe is Lisa's daughter from her previous marriage to rock star, Lenny Kravitz, 57, but that she has always been incredibly close to her stepfather, and the blended family has always had each other's backs. They are so proud of her, the insider told us of Lisa and Jason. Lisa is more low-key, and she always has been. She is fine with being a mom and wife at home right now. This was Zoe's time to shine, and Lisa is more than okay with chilling at home and looking at the photos from her phone, they said. Related gallery. Jason Momoa's kids, photos of the Aquaman star's 3 children. As for how things are at home, after their divorce announcement, Jason was reportedly living in a $75,000 RV, and our source told us that he brought the trailer home with him and parked it on their property. Jason and Lisa are taking it one day at a time, but they are still intent on working it out, the insider told us. He moved his trailer onto their property and is using it as a den to create his jewelry and such. It's great for him to have space where he can get away and be alone. That is good for everyone. At the premiere, the Aquaman star was forthcoming about Lisa's absence. When asked by Entertainment Tonight about why she was not with them, he said, "Lisa couldn't be here, so we're representing me and the babies. We're very excited to just be here, it's still family, you know?" According to our source, Jason's comment on "it's still family" was referring to the fact that Zoe is very much his family. Although he is not her biological dad, he is her father, and Wolf and Lola are her brother and sister. Prior to Hollywood Life's exclusive report that Jason and Lisa were working it out, the two deleted their Instagram post from January 12. In the post, they announced that they were divorcing. However, just 2 weeks after their shocking and sad announcement, Jason shared a music video, starring him and Lisa, on his YouTube channel. The video is for a song called Red Indian, Road to Paloma, by the band, The Skeleton Crew. In the video, Jason is seen riding a motorcycle with Lisa on the back of it, her arms wrapped around his waist. The video also features candid shots of his kids having family time with their dad and mom. The lyrics to the romantic country ballad included, "Getting lost along the way, I will never let you down. On this way, through this life, wild and free, baby."